Listen to me. Not with your ears, not with your logical mind, but with that part of you that knows deep down that this year is different. This year you will achieve, not because the stars aligned, not because the universe suddenly decided to favor you, not because life got easier or circumstances improved, but because you made a decision, a real decision. The kind that burns through excuses and incinerates doubt, the kind that doesn't negotiate with fear or bargain with comfort. You decided that this is the year everything changes, and the moment you made that decision, truly made it, the universe began to rearrange itself to match your conviction. There's a difference between wanting something and deciding to have it. Wanting is passive. Wanting is hoping. Wanting is wishing on stars and waiting for miracles. But deciding is violent. Deciding is final. Deciding is burning the boats, so there's no path back to who you used to be. And this year, you didn't just want it. You decided it. You decided that mediocrity is no longer acceptable, that playing small is no longer an option, that the old version of you, the one who hesitated, who doubted, who made excuses, that version died the moment you pressed play on this message. Because here's what most people don't understand. Achievement isn't about being ready. It's about being decided. And you are decided. You may not feel ready. You may not have all the answers. You may still have fear whispering in your ear, but you are decided, and that changes everything. Let me tell you who wins this year. Not the most talented, not the most educated, not the ones with perfect plans or ideal circumstances, the ones who move, the ones who take imperfect action while others are still planning perfect action, the ones who start before they're ready, the ones who build while others are still thinking about building. This year belongs to those who refuse to wait for permission, who refuse to wait for the right time, who understand that the right time is a myth designed to keep you comfortable and small. The right time is now. It's always now. And this year, you're one of the ones who moves. You're one of the ones who acts. You're one of the ones who achieves, not because you suddenly became fearless, but because you decided that your dreams matter more than your fear. Everything you've been through, every failure, every setback, every moment of doubt, it wasn't happening to you, it was happening for you. It was preparing you, forging you, strengthening you for this exact moment. All those times you wanted to quit but didn't, that built your persistence. All those times you felt lost but kept moving, that built your faith. All those times you fell and got back up, that built your resilience. You've been in training. And this year you step into the ring. You are not the same person you were last year. You're not even the same person you were last month. Every struggle refined you. Every obstacle revealed strength you didn't know you had. Every dark night prepared you for the breakthrough that's coming. You've been preparing for this your entire life. And this year, all that preparation pays off. You know what you want. Maybe you didn't before. Maybe it was fuzzy or unclear or hidden beneath layers of fear and conditioning, but now you see it. You see exactly what you're building. You see the life you're creating. You see the person you're becoming, and that vision is so clear, so vivid, so real that it's pulling you forward like gravity. You don't have to force it. You don't have to pump yourself up every day. The vision is alive. And it's demanding to be born. This is what separates this year from every year before it. In the past, you had ideas, you had goals, you had dreams, but this year you have a vision so powerful that not achieving it is more painful than any struggle you'll face trying to achieve it. That's the difference. That's why this year you will achieve. Let me be honest with you. This year won't be easy. The moment you commit to achieving something great, life will test you, not to stop you, but to see how serious you are. You'll have days when you want to quit, days when nothing seems to work, days when the old you whispers, "See, I told you it wouldn't work." Those are the days that define you. Those are the days when champions are made, when achievers are forged, when legends are born, because anyone can move forward when things are easy, when the path is clear, when results come quickly. But this year, you're proving you're different. This year, you're proving you're built different. You'll move forward when it's hard. You'll persist when others quit. You'll find a way when there seems to be no way. Not because you're lucky. Not because you're special, but because you decided. And decisions, real decisions, don't change when circumstances get difficult. Here's something beautiful. The moment you commit to achievement, you activate forces you can't see. Ideas will come to you. Opportunities will appear. People will show up. Resources will materialize. Not magic, not luck, law. There's a universal law that responds to commitment, that rewards decision, that supports those who move with faith and determination. You don't need to understand how it works. You just need to trust that when you show up fully committed, the universe shows up to support you. But here's the key. You have to move first. You have to commit first. You have to act first. The universe doesn't reward wishful thinking. It rewards decisive action. And this year, you're taking decisive action. This year, you're all in. This year, the universe has no choice but to respond. You won't achieve everything in one day. This isn't about one massive breakthrough that changes everything overnight. This is about showing up every single day and laying one more brick. Some days you'll lay 100 bricks. Some days you'll barely lay one, but you'll show up and lay it anyway, because you understand something most people don't. Consistency beats intensity every time. The person who works with focused intention for 1 hour every day will achieve more than the person who works with chaotic intensity for 12 hours once a month. This year, you're building something, and buildings aren't constructed in dramatic moments. They're constructed brick by brick, day by day, choice by choice. Every morning you wake up early. That's a brick. Every time you do the work when you don't feel like it. That's a brick. Every time you choose growth over comfort, that's a brick. And by the end of this year, you'll look back and realize you didn't just achieve one thing, you built an empire. The truth is, you won't achieve your goals as the person you are now. You'll achieve them as the person you become along the way. This year isn't just about what you accomplish, it's about who you become, the disciplined version of you, the focused version of you, the version that doesn't need external motivation because your internal commitment is so strong. The version that keeps promises to yourself, that does what you said you'd do. Even when no one's watching, that holds yourself to a higher standard than the world holds you to. That version of you, that's who achieves this year. And the beautiful thing is, you don't have to become that person all at once. You become that person one decision at a time, one choice at a time, one day at a time. Every time you choose discipline over distraction, you become that person a little more. Every time you choose action over procrastination, you step closer to that version of yourself. And by the end of this year, when you look in the mirror, you won't recognize the person looking back, because that person is stronger, wiser, more capable than you ever imagined. Years from now, you'll tell this story. The story of the year everything changed. The year you decided enough was enough. The year you stopped talking and started doing. The year you achieved. People will ask you how you did it, and you'll smile, because you'll remember this moment. You'll remember the decision you made. You'll remember the commitment you locked in, and you'll tell them the truth. I decided. And then I moved, and I didn't stop moving until it was done. Your story is being written right now. Every action you take is a sentence. Every choice you make is a paragraph. Every day you show up is a chapter. And by December 31st, when you close the book on this year, it will be your masterpiece. Here's what you need to understand. The moment you truly commit to achievement, there's no going back to who you used to be. You can't unsee the vision. You can't unknow your potential. You can't unfeel the fire that's burning in your chest right now. You've crossed the threshold, and there's no retreat. The old you is gone. The one who made excuses, who played victim, who settled for less, that person doesn't exist anymore. And yes, that's uncomfortable. Change always is. Growth always is. But you know what's more uncomfortable? Living the rest of your life knowing you had greatness inside you and never let it out. That's a pain you refuse to live with. And that refusal is what powers your achievement this year. Stop doubting yourself. Stop questioning whether you have what it takes. You are built for this. You wouldn't have the dream if you didn't have the capacity to achieve it. You wouldn't feel the calling if you weren't equipped to answer it. The vision in your heart isn't there to torture you. It's there to guide you, to pull you toward the life you're meant to live, the person you're meant to become. You have everything you need. Maybe not everything you want, but everything you need. You have the will. You have the desire. You have the decision. And that's enough to start. That's enough to move. That's enough to achieve. The rest will come as you go. The skills will develop. The resources will appear. The path will reveal itself. But only if you move, only if you start, only if you commit, and you are committed. I know it. You know it. This year you will achieve. So here we are, at the crossroads. At the moment of truth, you can close this message and go back to your life. Go back to the familiar. Go back to the comfortable. Or you can stand up right now, literally stand up, and declare to the universe, this year I will achieve, not hope, not try. I will. I am committed. I am decided, and nothing will stop me. Say it out loud. Let the words vibrate through your body. Let them echo in your soul. Let them announce to every cell in your being that the old you is dead and the new you is alive. This year you will achieve, not because it will be easy, not because the path is clear, not because you have all the answers, but because you decided. And when a person truly decides, when they commit with every fiber of their being, when they move with unshakable determination, the universe has no choice but to yield. No more waiting, no more preparing. This year is the year. Everything you've wanted, everything you've dreamed about, everything you've worked toward, it's all coming together this year. Not by accident, not by luck, but by decision, by commitment, by relentless, unstoppable action. You are ready. You've always been ready. The only question was, when would you believe it? And the answer is now. This year you will achieve, not as a possibility, not as a hope, as a certainty, as a done deal, as an inevitable conclusion to the decision you've made. This year you will achieve. Now go. Show the world what you're made of. Show yourself what you're capable of. And when December 31st comes and you're looking back on everything you accomplished, remember this moment. Remember the moment you decided that this year was different, that you were different, that nothing could stop you. This year you will achieve. Now prove it.